Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to find the value of x in the given equation. So let's start by writing the equation, that is x square minus 1 upon x square plus 1 is equals to 9. Here on the left hand side we have a fraction and on the right hand side we just have a constant. So what we can do is we can take this denominator to the right hand side and we will get x square minus 1 on the left hand side and 9 x square plus 1 on the right hand side. And if you have not subscribed the channel yet, please do subscribe. Now let's continue. On the left hand side we have x square minus 1 is equals to, what we can do is we can multiply this 9 with x square plus 1 and we will get 9x square plus 9. Now taking these similar terms to the left hand side. On the left hand side we have x square minus 9x square is equals to 9, this minus 1 on the right hand side, and it will be plus 1. So here after subtracting we will get minus 8x square is equals to 10. Then x square will be minus 10 upon 8. We have taken this term to the right hand side and by dividing we will get 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. So the value of x square is equal to minus 5 upon 4. But here we need the value of x. So what we can do is we are going to take under root on the both sides. So left hand side will be under root x square and right hand side will be minus 5 upon 4 under root. So here this root and square will cancel out. So x is equals to under root minus 5 upon 4. So the value of under root 4 is equals to 2 and we can write it as x is equals to under root minus 5 upon 2 and under root 5 into minus 1 upon 2. Now value of under root minus 1 is equals to iota or I. So from here we will get the value of x is equals to plus minus under root 5i upon 2. So here we got the value of x is equals to plus minus under root 5i upon